Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare Masala Karela, that is spicy bitter gourd. I am going to prepare. I am going to use all these spices and I am going to prepare these bitter gourds. So I have taken here half a kg of bitter gourd and I have cut them into half like this. They are nicely washed and cut. The seeds, the one that are too hard, I have removed them. The soft ones are here. Here I have taken 2 medium sized onions and I have chopped them. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. 1 big tomato, I have chopped them. 3 green chilies, just slit them from the center. You can also cut them into small pieces and give. I have taken coriander powder half a teaspoon, cumin powder half a teaspoon, red chili powder depends on how much spicy do we want, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, salt as per our taste, and this is Kashmiri lal mirch that I'm going to use for color, 1/4 teaspoon. Apart from all these things, I'm going to use mustard oil for cooking. I always try to use mustard oil for my cooking because it gives a lovely flavor to my recipes and I love mustard oil. So now let's get started. The first thing that we are going to do, we are going to heat oil in our pan. So here I have heated 2 tablespoons of oil and now I'm going to add the chopped onions. We'll saute this till it changes its color. Let it get little cooked and it will change its color little bit. As you can see, our onions are fried now. It has changed its color. So now I am going to add the ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. This will give it a quick stir. I'll reduce the flame and I'm going to add the rest of the spices, that is half a teaspoon of cumin powder, one-fourth teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, salt as per our taste, one-fourth teaspoon of turmeric powder, and then I'm going to add the 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri lal mirch. Now I'm going to cook all the spices together till it gets completely cooked. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of water so that the spices blend well with each other. See? So I will let the spices get cooked now. As you can see now, our spices are cooked. It started leaving oil. I'm going to add the green chilies, the tomatoes, and also the bitter gourds, the Karelas into it. And now I will mix it well with the spices. As it's nicely mixed, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, on a low flame, I'm going to cover this and let it get cooked for near about 3 minutes. After cooking it for 3 minutes, I'm going to remove the lid. Yeah, as you can see, the spices have blended well with the bitter gourd. I will cook this like this, stirring it for near about 2 minutes so that it gets a little fried. Now frying it openly for 2 minutes, as you can see, it has changed its color a little bit. Now I'm going to add half a cup of water. Be careful when you're stirring it, because as the bitter gourds are slightly cooked, so it breaks. So be very careful. Now I will cover this and let it boil for some time till the bitter gourds are perfectly cooked. So I'll cover and bring it to boil. So now I believe my bitter gourd is cooked perfectly. So I remove the lid. Water has also dried up. Yes, it has been cooked perfectly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the flame and I'm going to saute it on a high flame for a minute, so that the water that is there, it will dry up completely and a very nice flavor, fried flavor will come to it. As you can see now, our bitter gourd has got a lovely fried flavor, and it's well coated with the spices, so it will have the flavor of the spices as well. So now it's ready. Now it's ready. I'll put up the flame and put it on a serving bowl. So here is our Masala Karela ready. Spices with bitter gourd curry. Tastes very good with plain white rice and also rotis. Do try this recipe out. And if you liked my recipe, Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.